This site in Bothwell, which is just outside Glasgow in a really good area, we recently purchased these 12 part finished flats. We're on site now. This is the first time I've come up to view it since we've started. It all looks very organised. That's always a really good sign that you've got a good contractor on the job if everything is organised, and the health and safety here looks very professional as well, which is I'm very pleased to hear. We always employ an independent health and safety officer to check our sites and to report any issues there are. I can very pleased to say on this site there's no issues. You can see how organised everything is. We think we'll be ahead of schedule. The first 6 flats we hope to be ready in 4 months, and the rest of the site within the further 3 months. So I'm pleased with the progress I've seen. I can fly back to England feeling very happy.